According to recent surveys, 1 in 3 adults do not get enough sleep. This affects every aspect of our life, how we think, how we feel, how we function. This is particularly concerning for physicians who tend to work long hours and make life-critical decisions. Neurodivergent physicians, such as those with autism, ADHD, or OCD, face added challenges due to the unique way their brain works. I'm Dove Wilson. I'm a peak performance coach and an applied neuroscientist. I have the honor of presenting at the upcoming SoMeDocs conference. My presentation will be on sleep strategies for neurodivergent physicians. We'll talk about how the unique gifts and challenges affect sleep and strategies to overcome sleep obstacles. Whether you're neurodivergent, sleep-deprived, both, or simply interested in the topic, please join us. We would love that.